Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can split values from one cell into multiple adjacent cells. To do this we are going to use text-to-column function in Excel. This function helps us to split the data in one cell into multiple adjacent cells. To understand text-to-column, let's use the following example in the Excel, which shows the full names of few people. Here we are going to split this full name into first name and last name. To begin with, first, select the cells or data that you want to split, and then go to Data from top ribbon and click on Text to Column. In this dialog box, first, select the way you want to split the data. You can either select Delimited, which lets you split data on the basis of special characters like comma, colons, space, etc., or you can select Fixed Width, which lets you split data on the basis of number of characters in a cell. In my case, all the names are of different lengths, hence, I am going to use Delimited here. After selecting Delimited, click on Next. Here, select your special character on the basis of which you are going to split the data. I will select space here. As per your needs, you can also select comma, semicolon, or any other special characters, as well like slash, percentage, etc. After selecting it, click on Finish, and as you can see, data has been splitted. So, this is how you can split the values. This eliminates the manual task of changing data in each cell. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.